HubSpot's prospecting tools is a great place for your sales rep to manage all their day-to-day tasks, like all the calls, emails, LinkedIn connections they need to send. They can manage all their meetings for the day, even manage all the leads they're actively working. I'm going to show you how to use it in today's HubSpot hack. All right, so first thing you want to do is obviously log into HubSpot, and then on the left-hand side on the navigation menu, you'll see Workspaces, and then you can click to get to prospecting. At the time I'm making this video, this left-hand side navigation is new. You might be more familiar with the top navigation. So if you're still using that, to get to the prospecting workspace, it'll actually be under sales and then prospecting. So the first page it brings you to in prospecting is actually a summary view. And this is a tool that I highly recommend your sales reps bookmark as their homepage when they go to HubSpot. As you can see, I see everything that I have to do for the day. On the left-hand side, I have all of my tasks and the progress I've made. So you can see I've got a lot of emails, calls, and LinkedIn connections to send. But you can see I've actually already done some of them, so I can see my progress for the day. I can also then see all of my tasks here, so things that I still need to do, anything I have overdue, if I'm ahead of the game, which you can see I'm not, any tasks that I have to do tomorrow as well. If you're a big fan of sequences like I am, I love sequences. It's what made me fall in love with HubSpot. I can actually prioritize the different sequences that I have running, so make sure I can get all those tasks out of the way. So my emails and my sequences continue to run smoothly, don't get caught up by any overdue tasks. And I can also see any new contacts that have been assigned right here in this awesome summary view. When you're ready to do your tasks, I highly recommend doing it from this prospecting workspace and click to Start All Tasks Due Today, because this takes you to an awesome view of all the tasks that you have due today on the left-hand side. And then on the right-hand side, you can actually see all the information about the contacts that you're gonna be reaching out to. So this task is to reach out to this person on LinkedIn and send them a connection request. So I can see anything about this contact that I have. I can look at a quick overview so I can see any recent communications I might have. If it's a phone call task, I can actually open up any playbooks that I might have. I can send emails from here. When you're ready to manage your tasks for today, just click to Start All Tasks right here from this prospecting page, and it's going to show you everything that you have due today. So on the left-hand side, I have all of my tasks, and on the right-hand side, I can see everything about that contact, so I can prepare myself to do that outreach. If it's a call or an email or anything like that, I can see in this Overview tab any recent communications I've had. I can click About to see all of their contact properties that are on that contact record. I can click to see any notes. View the associations that they have to different contacts, companies, and deals. If I have this sales navigator connection, I can actually try to make that connection with them in LinkedIn right from this view. If I'm using HubSpot calling, I can make the call directly here from this tab and even send emails from here too. So this is a highly efficient way to go about your day-to-day tasks, because as you can see on this left-hand side, once I actually do send this LinkedIn connection, I can check off that this task is complete. I can say whether or not I want to do have a follow-up task in a certain amount of days and click to create task. And then it naturally just takes me right to my next one. You might be thinking, okay, great, I have all these LinkedIn connections, but I want to get all my calls out of the way. Up here, I can actually filter by task type. So I can say, show me all of my calls. So I have to call this contact. I can call right from here, make the phone call. I can take any notes as I'm dialing out to this person. Again, on the left-hand side, if they pick up, I can pop open any playbooks that I have, take notes in this area. So it's a highly efficient view where I can do all of these things in one tab without needing to click back and forth, have multiple windows open, pick up a cell phone and make dials and things. This is a really efficient way for sales reps to go about doing their tasks and to quickly get through everything for that day. Again, less clicking, less navigating the tools, more selling, more phone calls, things like that. That's the goal of this prospecting workspace, and it does a really good job of doing that. So we'll click out of here. We'll go back out of the tasks area and I'll click over to leads. So leads are all the contacts that your sales reps are actively going after. We have a whole other video on leads that you can check out if you want to learn how to make leads, how to navigate this page. But here they can see all of the contacts they're reaching out to, the stage that they're in, if you've connected, if they have new ones they need to reach out to. And if you are a super admin, you can actually click actions and view all leads. So that way you can see all of the leads that all of your sales reps are working right here from one view. I am in a test portal here, so my schedule isn't going to have any information here, but you can see all of your meetings that you have for the day. So you can organize your day, block off time for you to actually do your tasks. And again, this is a test portal, so there's no real data, but you can come in here and look through your feed where you can see, all the calls you've made, sequences that you've sent, emails, and things like that, all from one view. So that's the prospecting workspace. I love it. I hope you do too. Give it a try. Let us know how you like it. And remember to like and subscribe for more HubSpot hacks.